guys! Welcome back sa panibagong video. So ngayon, maglalaro tayo ng Scary Grocery The Night Shift dito sa Roblox. So ngayon, kasama ko si
Green bean.
So, bago tayo magsimula, huwag niyo kalimutan mag-like and subscribe. Let's go! Scary Grocery The Night Shift. Survive 20 nights, defeat the entity. Ang ganda! Andito na tayo. May tumatawag ka agad. Nasaan na?
Hello. Welcome to your first night shift. We're really glad to have you here running the grocery store. And
Okay.
hey, thanks for taking the job. The previous employees, well, they either quit pretty fast or just disappeared without notice. But
Okay.
I'm sure you'll be fine.
Yan, be fine.
Here comes your first customer.
Dito na una natin.
Wait for the customer to come to the counter.
John Doe. Natin, baka imposter to. Uy, grabe. Kinuha lahat. Inubos. Inubos lahat ah.
Bag the customer's items.
Lang, ayos ka natin sa lahat ah.
Take a moment to review the customer's information on the computer.
12. Verify name. Los Angeles.
Press these buttons to ask the customer to verify their information.
December. Okay. Uniting out of Los Angeles. Job. Okay, tama.
The customer's answers match their information. Complete the transaction.
Okay. Complete transaction.
Hey, look at you! You checked out your first customer. Great job! Just keep that
Ang
same
dilim naman
energy
dito sa
going for the
labas.
rest of the night. And try not to overthink things.
Ang daming
Comes another
kalat dito.
customer.
Here comes
Wait for
another
the
customer. May
to
customer
come to the
tayo.
counter.
Jane Doe. Ano to? Jane Doe. Uy, grabe. Inuubos lahat. Ba't inuubos lahat yun? Scan.
Bag the customer's items. Take a
Scan
moment
natin.
to review the customer's information on the computer.
Anong iyong...
Press these buttons to
Yung
ask the
age.
customer to verify their information.
New York? Chicago. New York yan ah. Mali yan ah.
Galing na dyan, latag mo na yung tan.
The customer
Oo,
is
yan.
wrong
Barilin
about
natin.
where they're from.
Wait lang ah.
Customers that answer questions incorrectly are
Double
doppelgangers.
Baril. Wait lang,
Make
baril.
sure to also look out for weird-looking customers, as well as incorrect names.
Incorrect
Pick up the
name.
pistol and shoot the doppelganger.
Bulag
Use
pa
the
ako eh.
mop to clean the goo on the
Yun,
floor.
kulin mo na yan. Tapon mo na yan, tas magmamap ako. Tapon mo na yan.
Now, throw the body out in the dumpster outside, behind the store.
Throw the body out of in dumpster outside. Dito sa outside. Ayun o. Dito na natapon yung katawan niyang baliw. Double ganger ka ah.
You got rid of your first doppelganger. Nice work. It was
Thank
a
you,
little
thank
messy,
you.
sure, but you handled it like a pro.
Oh, namap ko na
That's
naman.
enough for your first night.
Head
Head
to
to
the
the
bus
bus to
to
complete the
end your
shift.
shift. Dito na tayo. Alis na tayo. Ay, tara na. Yun. Okay na. Night 1. Night 2 na. Night 2. Pangalawang night na. Ayaw nga, parang shawarma kayo. Parang shawarma kayo nga din to.
Hey, welcome back for shift number 2.
Okay, welcome back.
Actually made some leftover cash from last night. Congrats. You can use that to buy some things from the supply shop. Go to the order screen and order an item box.
Pwede pala tayo mag-order. Ay, ano ba yan? Ba't may dala kang map? Andito na pala.
Pick up the item box.
Ang
and
bilis ah.
restock your shelf.
Pick up natin. Dito daw. Bayan, umikot pa ako. Stock na natin to.
Perfect. Quick heads up on your paycheck. After the company takes out the quota, their share,
Sabi siya.
whatever money is left over is yours to keep. You can take that extra cash over to the supply shop and buy some cool things.
Okay.
It's basically bonus money for being so good at your job.
Okay.
Anyway, I'll be going now.
Sige,
Just
sige.
remember what I've taught you so far, and you'll be
Okay.
fine. Good
Okay.
luck running the place. You got this.
Okay, tara na. First customer na. Tignan natin to, baka suspicious to. Inubos lahat si Zachary Nelson. Kaya nga, ubos lahat. Lang Age. November 28, 1984. Tama. Been a while since walking Tokyo. Okay. Remember one happy information. Okay, tama. Okay, tama. Ay, mali! David Nelson nakalagay, Zachary yun. Double ganger yun Wait lang. Age? September 11, 1997. Name niya Samuel Robert. Tokyo. Okay. Job. Shopkeeper. Huwag mo, baba mo muna yan. Okay, goods. Baba mo muna dito. Bibili lang ako ng mga gamit. Ito na. Bago na ulit. Huwag mo muna. Baba mo muna yung baril. Grace Nelson. Anong iyong age? January 20, 1997. Boston. Office. Job. Emergency. I respond emergency. Okay. Complete transaction. Emergency nga. Tinutulungan niya yung mga tao. Oo. Parang nakakahinahilala. Hindi siya yun. Robert Hernandez, tama? April 1998, okay? Binawal since walking to Tokyo Street. Apex broken vehicle and get them running again. Okay, tama. Okay. Ay, kailangan natin bumili ng Wala na tayong stock. You can afford daw, sabi. Saan ba yung pera natin? Uy, parang Jennifer Rodrigo. Ay. Ay, mali. Mali yung pangalan. May 14, 2003, tama. Settle. Settle. Shopkeeper daw, shopkeeper. Barili mo. Yan. Oy, sarado pito. Bili, tago natin to. Ito na ako pito. Oy, prepare to fight. Umalis ka sa mga pinto. Malapit sa pinto, umalis ka dyan. Dito ako. Dito, umalis ka dyan. Dito ako. Ay, prepare to fight Entity. Ayan bili! Ano ba yan? Patay. Magtago ka lang. Andiyan yung entity. Andiyan ako, patay ako. Wait lang. Asan sila? Asan na? Uy! Ano yun? Ano ka ba? Bili, abante. Abante. Andiyan na, bili. Parili mo. Bilis, takbo, no!